Do you need to probate a manufactured home in Indiana? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer, and today I'd like to answer that question for you because it was recently asked of me. So there's a number of questions that we have to answer in order to analyze this. So the first question is the manufactured home on land that is owned by the decedent, or is it a lot rent situation? So that matters because it has to do with the value of the manufactured home and the land. If the manufactured home by itself and the estate has assets greater than $100,000 and the home was only in the decedent's name, the manufactured home, the title was only in the decedent's name, it's greater than $100,000, then you would have to go through probate. However, if the home and the land is worth less than $100,000 in the gross estate, then the land or the home or both could be transferred by summary estate or small estate affidavit. So those are the things that you have to look at. If it's lot rent, you look at just the value of the manufactured home, which will most likely have a title as to the date of death value of that, and you have to determine whether the estate has more or less than $100,000 net value. If it's on land that is owned by the decedent, you're going to have to make the same evaluation, but you're going to have to understand the value of the land at the date of death and the value of the manufactured home. And then you have to understand all the other assets that are probatable assets and debts of the probate estate. So there you have it. You have to be able to look and understand the difference between personal property and real property, and then the net value of the estate at the time of death to determine whether it has to go through probate or whether you can use a summary or small estate procedure. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.